everybody, and welcome to Caldera Creative Creations Holiday Wreath channel. I am so happy and excited to be here because I got a beauty, easy to make Valentine's wreath going on today, and we are making some spectacular items to put on our Valentine's wreath. So with that said, let's get this started. Okay, let's move this to the side. See these items? They are so cute, easy to make. We also got some of these ribbons. So let's get these going. First one is we're going to make these. This one we got an 8-inch ribbon, which I cut, the little fancy ducktails. We're going to tie it together. Get it like this, put it together, twist it. Then we got a handy dandy glue gun, which you got to be careful with. We got some of these little sorted items, hearts. Just take these and put a little glue on there. And voila, look at, wow. Then we're going to take another, put another one on the bottom. Make it look more spectacular. Look at how gorgeous is that? That's what we were working with today. Why, yeah, excuse me. And with the other one is this one. These guys right here. we got a 12-inch one for the pink. The dark pink is 9 inches. We got a red one that's 10 inches. So with that said, we are going to place these guys together. Put it on. Simple. Wrap it together. Turn it around and pick it up and bam. We got it. See? Pretty simple, huh? And that's what we are working with today, everybody. So let me unplug my glue gun, get that out of the way. And let's get this started. We got this sign, which I glued the wire on and pinned it on to our wreath. Now we are going to get these beautiful items, and we're just going to wrap them around on here. How's everybody's day going? Woo! Mine is going great, like always, because I'm here with you guys. I'm just so happy to be here with you guys and to be sharing my crafts with you. I'm learning just like you guys are. It's fun. Yes, look at, wow, look at that. How beautiful, huh? We'll just put these around. We got 5 of these, okay? You make how many you want. This is your ribbon now. I mean, your wreath. Okay. Look at, oh, yeah, how beautiful that is, huh? Just like that. Look at the ribbons, just bring it out. We got some more over here. Let's get this guy here. Look at this going down. Wow. Look at that, everybody. Woo, beautiful. Okay. Now we're going to get another one over here. Let's see. We got to step back and visualize, remember? Got this. I think we're going to pop one in right here. Wow. Oh, look at that. Beautiful creation. This is imagination and visualize. And these little beauties, look how cute. We are just, what? Hey, I think we're going to hang up on these. Nah, we're going to just go. I was thinking about I was going to do my flowers first, but let's just get these guys all on here and then we'll get down with the roses. Okay, look at, ooh, look at beautiful. So it's simple to make. And what it does to your wreath, just brings it up. See, I'm learning too, you guys. We're learning together with this. Yes, indeed. Oh, look at. And we're going to bring another one over here. How many do I have? I have 4. You can make how many you want and what different colors you want, what other items you want to do. Like I said, just use your imagination. You will have a beauty going on. I'll put this right here. Okay, look at that. Wow, now let's get our roses. Woo, look at that, everybody. Just so beautiful. Get these roses. Let's go wild with these roses and put them in places where they need. Wow. See? It was just a little time we made this wreath. Wow. Uh-oh, I think I... No, you got it, Mom. You got it, girl. You got it. I was thinking about putting a ribbon up there too. I do got a ribbon, huh? Okay, this is an easy to make ribbon with our this normal. Tie your shoe, tie your shoe ribbon. Take it together. I still do my ribbons. I'm slowly learning, you know. I'll get it. I will eventually get to learn making ribbons, okay? Practice makes perfect. And just open it up, but hey, I got this going on. Okay. Look at that. Hey. Tie your shoe ribbon. Easy to do. Then I was thinking about, we got this little heart. So I'm just going to insert in the back. Insert in the back. Then we're just going to pin it on here. Pop Pam. Look at that. There. And put the bow up. Bring it out like that. And wow, I think we got this, everybody. Uh-oh, we got to get our greenery. Let's pop our ribbon out. Wow, this is so beautiful. Okay, let's get our greenery going. And I'll put this one down here. Wow, so we got that one. Let's get this one up here. Woo, look at this, everybody. Wow, came out so neat. So with that said, once again, everybody, thanks for coming to my channel. If you like or enjoyed my video, leave a comment. And once you subscribe, you press that subscribe button. And once again, let me step back and visualize this beauty. Oh my, look at that, everybody. Have a happy Valentine's Day and just be creative and visualize. And wow, look at, you'll be coming out with something beautiful and simple. Once again, until next time, everybody, happy Valentine's Day.